Good morning, YouTube followers. Welcome back to Sea Dock at Las Vegas Boat Harbor. We have returned to La Bella Vita to install the rear bimini extension, which has turned out just wonderfully. It covers the whole back of the boat, and with the lateral support here, it is very sturdy. And again, we just zipped on to the existing Sea Ray bimini, all in black. It's very hard to tell, but that just needed a few repairs and some of the snaps put back in, and then we added a zipper to it, actually two zippers from the middle out, and it does have a flare to it. When looking at the back of the boat, it does flare out from, there's a good shot of how it flares out a little. But it does cast a wonderful footprint of shade. Here we are with the double zippers from the old bimini to the new. And then our pockets, here, let me try and block that. Our pockets that's a 10-footer. We don't do just the little chintzy pockets in the middle. We do a full pocket all the way across the beam of the boat. And it really seems to help with parachuting. In the center, again, two zippers going out opposite directions, because one 10-footer would not cover it. So, but it's turned out rather well. They'll be back in town soon and ready to enjoy. There we go. La Bella Vita, all finished. On to the next boat. Thanks for following.